Hi everybody, welcome in if this is your first video with me, welcome back if it is not. Either way, I am so excited that you're here and really grateful you've decided to spend just a little bit of your day with me today. So today is a video I have been waiting for like 2 weeks to film. I have been sick, but today I'm finally feeling up to it, so I'm so excited. We're gonna film a haul from a trip to Walt Disney World. If you are so ready to see what I bought, let's just get started, shall we? I'm Rachel, and this is Attainable Disney. Oh, let me get this bag. Like I said, if you guys watch my Instagram stories, you know I got sick sort of on the way home from Disney World. Like, I was fine the whole trip. I must have picked up a germ like in the airplane or like in the airport or something, because like the day after we got home, I started feeling sick, and then it just got worse and worse and worse and worse by the minute. Like, it was that thing where it was like, you know how like you're like, oh, I feel a little gross, my throat hurts, and then you like sneeze, and then you're like, oh my god, I'm sick. Like, you know, right? Oh, it was awful. So I spent like a week sick. I mean, like a week just solid cold sick. Took lots of COVID tests, not COVID, just a plain old cold. But finally starting to feel better and really excited to film this haul. First, let me just show you this bag. It was $2.50. Solid purchase. And everything that we bought on the trip fits in it. Okay, oh my gosh. All right, so here, so how much do we love this? Okay, so this is a Nike, I guess they call it Nike Dry Fit. I don't know. I'm not like super familiar, but Mike says it's really cool. So a Nike Dry Fit hat. It has a dust bunny on it from sitting in my office. We got this at the Emporium. But it's, look at this super cool 50th like iridescent logo, like Walt and Mickey. Oh my god. I die. This was not cheap, but I love it. Okay, are you ready? So you guys, remember I told you how much I was excited to go to the store connected to the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. It lived up to every expectation I had. It was amazing. And I got this super amazing sweatshirt. Are you ready? Okay, so it's like a military jacket, but it's like a sweatshirt. So it's like this super cool cut and style, but it's like a very wearable, like everyday kind of thing. It's got that Honorary Guardians logo on the sleeve, which is the same Honorary Guardians pin that I have. Yes, like I'm like obsessed. Like, I saw this in the store and I ran to it. So I kind of can't wait for it to be fall here. Look, it's got these like little hidden zipper pockets, which I just love. I mean, it's like actually like functional, but very cool, very Guardians, very Nova Core, right? Just obsessed. And this was $69.99. Okay, so while we're on that store, I love this. Okay. So this thing is heavy. It's metal. It's very heavy. Super cool metal water bottle. I take a metal water bottle to work every day. So like, why not just like make it a Guardians one? Does say no dishwasher on the bottom, which like, I don't love, but I love this nonetheless. I could display it back here, but I also could bring it to work every day and be baller. It also could be a weapon. It's very heavy, very, very heavy. Also got this in the Guardian store. So this is one of those things that I kind of knew going down there that I was gonna get. I had sort of seen it and I wanted it. And I'm not gonna lie to you. Once I saw it, I didn't love it as much. These pins are kind of I don't know. I don't want to say cheap, but they're kind of cheapy. But I bought it anyway because I wanted it. I don't know. I'm a weirdo. But I bought it, and I like this. I'd probably keep it on this thing because it has this like little stand. So I'll probably keep it on here. It was this much. I did also get some pins at that store, but I'm going to do all the pins sort of at the end. Okay, so we got this shirt. So it's like a hoodie t-shirt at Memento Mori in Magic Kingdom. I just love the like, I love the sparkly Constance hatchet. I mean, and I love that store. Like I love Memento Mori. I just love it. It's like so creepy, right? I mean, I just like love the goth vibe. And then this shirt just stood out to me because it's like pink. I don't like, it's just so different. Do you know what I mean? It just like caught my attention. So I just love it. And it's got the little hoodie, which I just thought was so fun for a little short sleeve thing. I like the stripes. Obviously, it's my colors. I mean, it matches my wall. And this one was $39.99. Mike hates this shirt. But I bought it anyway, because, like, whatever. It just, like, reminded me, like, we were in the store, and he was just like, no. And I was like, I'm getting it. I don't care. So I bought... This keychain I got in the gift shop at our hotel at the beach club. How sweet is this? I mean, just a little Mickey head. It's the glitter. It's the rainbow medal. It's the 50th. It's just all the things I love. I don't know the price. It was teal. I don't know, whatever that means. No idea how much this was. I don't think I knew how much it was when I bought it. Couldn't tell you. So here's all the pins. So you knew that like the bulk of what I was going to get was pins, obviously. So here we go. Okay, so this pin right here, I actually can't really show you because it is for a box swap, like it's for a gift. And if I show you, the person's gonna watch it. So I'm just gonna put this one over here. Sorry. You'll see it eventually in someone else's video. Okay, so I got this Halloween pin. Oh my gosh, look at Daisy. I just loved how creepy she was with the spider in her hair and the spider on her shoes. Like, I just love it. Love her. So we got this one at the Guardian store. So what's cool about this is the words are like rubbery. I mean, I think you can kind of see, but like, yeah, the words are made of rubber, which is different. I don't know. I just feel like I haven't seen that before. So everything else is regular, you know, pin enamel, but the words are like little vines and they're made of like rubber, it feels like. So I thought that was fun. This was the very first pin that we bought, the very first thing we bought on the very first day, because I've been looking for this pin. I want this pin. I've tried to get it from a few like sellers or like a few of like the pin trading groups, and I just haven't been able to get a hold of it. So as soon as I saw this in the gift shop in the hotel, I was like, scoop. I was not going home without this Sword in the Stone pin. So I was very excited to get this. Did I show you how much these ones were? Yellow, I don't know, whatever that means. Silver, ugh, I don't know, sorry. So then I got these two Halloween pins. So I picked these up at the Emporium during the Halloween party. I don't know if they were like exclusive to the Halloween party. I know some stuff was. I don't know if these were. But there's some Marvel Halloween pins. So Creeping It Real. Oh my gosh. We got some bad guys. Classic Loki. Green Goblin, Thanos. And then over here we got Happy Halloween with some of our classic heroes. Ant-Man and the Wasp, Black Panther, Spidey, Iron Man, and then some candies. So, Marvel pins, Halloween, special edition, like, checkity check, checkity check. So, here's two more Marvel pins that I got. These were ones I had kind of knew I was going to get going down there. I had seen them online. These kind of new sort of character logo pins. Always loving Captain Marvel. Higher, further, faster. Yes, ma'am. Really working on growing my Captain Marvel collection. So I was really excited to get this. And then, you know, my man Hawkeye does not get enough love. So I saw this and I just was like, you know what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. $9.99 for that. Oh, also the Marvel Halloween pins were $9.99. And then I got this guy, Rocket and Groot. And then the last individual pin I got was one I had never really seen before. So it's a Parks collection, and it's, so see it says Magic Kingdom, and it says Under the Sea, Journey of the Little Mermaid, which, like, honestly is one of my favorite rides at Magic Kingdom. Like, it's one of my, like, don't miss rides, which, like, I know, it's such a silly, I don't want to say silly ride, but it's such a simple ride. You're literally just, like, sitting in a seashell, and you're just, like, watching the movie go around you or whatever with, like, animatronics, but, like, it's so well done, and I love the queue and the whole, like, I just love the whole situation. Love it. So this pin I just had to get. And then the last two pins I got were these Marvel mystery pin boxes. So these are the, I don't know what you call them, button, logo, circle, right? So some of our faves. And I got two of them. And these, because they're the Disney Parks ones, you know, we've got two per box. Should we just open them right now? Okay. Before I open these, if you're interested in entering our 400 subscriber giveaway, the question of the day today is, which of these individual pins that I just showed you is your favorite? Make sure you use the hashtag Rachel400 if you're interested in entering the giveaway. Don't forget that you have to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and bust these babies open now. I'm not gonna make a whole other video to open these two boxes, right? So we've got, these are our choices. Obviously Rocket, Groot, Captain Marvel, Captain America, Black Panther. I mean, really, all of these are fine. All of these are fine, right? Those are our, like, favorites. And here's a trick. So here's what I do in the store. Not that, like, I pick these up in the stores a lot because it's like I'm not there a ton or whatever, but, like, I made sure that they, like, weighed differently because in my mind that means they're not the same box, right? I don't know if that, we'll see if it works. Ooh, wow, yeah, these are big. Black Panther. So look at these, like, compared to, you know, one of these, like, individual ones. So yeah, these are big. I like it. And then, ooh, oh my god, look at that, so cute. Actual size may vary. I know Seth Lavender likes this pin, so hopefully we don't have the same box. Ready? Captain Marvel, Captain Marvel, Captain Marvel. 1, 2. Okay. Seth Lavender, you want it? Ready? 1, 2. Okay. Spidey. And I love that. It's very classic, right? Like old school comic book Spider-Man. Love that. So I will be on the hunt for at least the Captain America, Captain Marvel, and the Rocket and Groot. For sure. Let me know your thoughts below about my haul. Don't forget to answer the question of the day if you're interested in joining our giveaway. If you're not familiar with the giveaway, of course, I'll link the video above and below. Also, I'm just going to throw it out there. I did not spend any money on this stuff. What? 100% of this was bought with Disney rewards cards earned through using my Disney Visa. So essentially all of this stuff was free. Did not spend any real dollars on this. I have a Disney Visa card. You get, you know, whatever, like 1 to 5% back. Right, I mean, the way a lot of, like, credit cards work. Disney basically gives it to you as, like, a gift card, essentially. And I used it to buy all this crap. Also used it to buy many expensive meals while I was on the trip. So, but yes, used it to buy 100% of this merch. Floating that out there. If you're interested in learning more about the Disney Visa, of course, I'll link the video that I did about it above. Yeah, so you can go ahead and learn a little bit more about that. So let me know what questions you guys have. I'm happy to answer them. Let's chat about it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.